In today's video, I want to show you how to change your age on TikTok. To change your age on TikTok, it's very basic and very simple to do. I'm going to be showing you two ways you can use to change your birthday on TikTok, and it is working perfectly. So the first one you want to do, you want to open up your TikTok. So let's do that. Once you open up your TikTok, the next thing I want you to do, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see where it says profile. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will take you to your profile on TikTok. So once you get to your profile on TikTok, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see three parallel lines over there that represent the menu. So tap on that three lines. So once you tap on it, it will load up another page for you. On this page, you want to tap on settings and privacy. So once you tap on settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see where it says Help Center. I want you to tap on that Help Center. So once you tap on Help Center, it will load up another page for you on here. So if you check the bottom here, you're going to see where it says Chat with Us, which is written in white on red background. So I want you to tap on that Chat with Us. So once you tap on the Chat with Us, it will load up another page for you. So let's wait for that to load up. So once it loads up, you want to tap on account at the top left corner here. So let's tap on account. So once you tap on account, it's going to load up all the frequently asked questions for you. So on here, you just want to check where it says, I want to change my birthday, or where it says birthday. So let's check that. So as you can see, we do not have it at this present moment. There was a time I came here and it was here when I wanted to change my age, but presently now it is not on here anymore. But this is the first method. If you do not find the change birthday here, let me show you the second method, which is the best method you can use. This second method I'm about to give you, it's working perfectly and it's very perfect. So what do you want to do? You want to go to your Chrome browser or Safari. Let's say let's go to my Chrome browser over here. So once you go to let's go to Safari. Let's use Safari. So you want to enter this link that I'm about to give you. This link, I've already copied it. I've already done it before. So I have the link saved on my device. So this one will take you to the place where you're going to change your birthday directly. So I'm going to put the link to the screen. I'm going to show it on the screen. So you just want to go to the search bar. So you just want to paste the link here, paste link. So once you paste the link, you want to tap on go. So once you tap on go, it will take you to this login page. So what you want to do, you want to log in to your TikTok account. Just log in. Let's log in, continue with Google. So once you tap on continue with Google, it will load up for you. So you want to select the Gmail you are using, that is already linked to your TikTok account. So let's do that here. So once you tap on the Gmail that is linked with your TikTok account, literally you just want to log into your TikTok account. So let's wait for that to actually load up for us. So we are waiting for it. So let's wait. So it will show us how to change it now. It takes us to confirm date of birth. What is your date of birth? As you can see clearly, guys. So you just have to tap on it, then choose any date of birth you want. Once you choose any date of birth you want, tap on next. Then once you tap on next, it will take you to where Google is going to ask you for verification. Is that you upload your selfie and you upload your driver license or your national ID card that shows that shows your real age on it. So once you upload this evidence, then TikTok is going to change the date successfully. So guys, this is the best way on how to change your birthday on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.